In this question, we want to change the fraction or a mixed number into an equivalent decimal, and this is -7/4. So whenever we want to convert this into a decimal, first we need to make sure that the number is going to be negative. So the first thing we're going to do is take 4, which is the denominator or the divisor, and then we're going to divide it into the numerator or dividend, which is 7. So let's figure out how many times does 4 go into 7? Well, the answer is 1. So 1 times 4 is going to give us 4. We're going to write that underneath the 7, and then we're going to subtract. So now 7 minus 4 is going to give us 3. Okay? Now, does 4 go into 3? The answer is no. So therefore, we're going to have to add a 0. And we're going to bring down that 0. But since we added a 0, that means we need to add a decimal here in between the 1 and the next number. Now, how many times does 4 go into 30? Well, the answer is 7. 7 times 4 is going to give us 28. Now we're going to subtract 28 from 30. When we subtract 28 from 30, we get a remainder of 2. Now 4 doesn't go into 2, so now we're going to extend this division a little bit and then add another 0. And now we're going to bring the 0 all the way down. So now we're going to ask ourselves, how many times does 4 go into 20? Well, the answer is 5, because 5 times 4 is going to give us 20, and that gives us a remainder of 0. So therefore, -7/4 is the same thing as -1.75, since we know the number has to be negative. Let's go ahead and put our answer in here. We have -1.75.